Hey guys, it's Classic Hero, and I'm doing a unboxing. I've never done it before. I actually got this gaming chair. Let's see, what is it called? Realspace DRG gaming chair. I actually got a gaming chair, and guess what? I don't even game. Find out why in one of my videos. I just get out there. Wait, what? Okay. This looks complicated already. The back right here. Did I get myself into? These are like the armrests, possibly. We'll see. And now we got our seats. Let's get right into it.
No hablas español. No hablo español.
Voila. It doesn't feel, it feels really good already. I'm not gonna lie to you. Feel this, babe. Feel that. Feel good? What do you think? It's kind of decent.
Move it to the front a little. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Haha. We're almost there. Almost there. I have to say, this is pretty comfortable. So far, this chair is pretty comfortable. It's got a little lean back feature. Got a little pillow right here to lean back, just relax, watch a movie, type, whatever that may be. So far, I have to give this, to rate this chair and the process of building it and putting it together. The building process wasn't that bad. It was pretty quick actually. It took about 20-25 minutes, or maybe a little longer, just because we were kind of chilling through the process. But honestly, I like this chair. I want to say it's worth the $200, but it's a really good chair. It looks nice. If you're looking to get a gaming chair or just a chair to chill in, do work in, I would invest in this. Sure, there's probably better or maybe cheaper chairs out there, but so far I got to give this chair 8 out of 10. 10 being the best. Thank y'all for coming to this unboxing and for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit a like, comment, and subscribe. All right, I'm gonna get back to my work.